Welcome to the Small Channel Sponsorship Blueprint, the guide to stop working for free and turn your passion into profit. Most experts tell you that you need 100,000 subscribers before you can talk to brands. That is a lie designed to keep you creating free content. If you have 1,000 subscribers and a highly engaged audience, you are already valuable, but only if you treat your channel like a business, not a hobby. You need a system. Stop begging for favors. You are selling attention. You are selling trust, especially when compared to vague brand awareness sold by big agencies. We call this the proximity signal. If you run a niche channel, like HVAC repair in Austin, every viewer is a high-intent lead. That is leverage. Now that you have the right mindset, let's talk about the tools for outreach, your media kit. Brands don't have time to watch your videos. You need a media kit. Our mantra is, data beats design. Show them the numbers that matter most about your audience. Use the soft seeding method to initiate contact. Feature a product you genuinely use, clip that segment, and send it directly to the brand's decision maker on LinkedIn. Pitch the decision maker, not the algorithm. Next, let's dive into one of the most critical parts, how to calculate your rate and make sure you are compensated fairly. The biggest mistake is accepting a free product for a dedicated review. If they require deliverables, they must pay. You cannot pay rent with free samples. Say it with me. Do not work for headphones. Use the CPM or cost per mil formula. Take your average views, divide by 1,000, and multiply by your CPM rate. Always add a creation fee, since you're saving them the cost of a professional studio. Once you get the deal, where do you put the ad for maximum impact without alienating your audience? Don't kill your revenue with pre-rolls or post-rolls. Use mid-roll magic. Place the ad immediately after the hook is resolved, but before the value is fully delivered. To beat sponsor block and auto skippers, use native integrations. Weave the product naturally into the story. If the ad provides value, the audience won't skip it. Getting the deal is hard. Keeping it is harder. Let's cover the rules to keep your channel and the brand safe. Keep the minute around your ad brand safe. No cursing or controversy while holding the product. No surprises. Compliance is insurance. You are legally required by the FTC to disclose paid promotion. Check the box in YouTube Studio, and most importantly, say it out loud in the first 30 seconds. We practice what we preach. Muon Marketing is looking for creators like you who speak to business owners and entrepreneurs. We offer 3 paths. Path A is for direct brand sponsorships with competitive CPMs, connecting you with brands that align perfectly with your niche. Path B is our affiliate program, offering a generous 20% recurring commission for promoting Muon services. This is passive income you can rely on. Path C is creator infrastructure. We manage your site and store, applying our Pillar 4 technical foundation so you can focus 100% on filming great content. Stop guessing. Join an ecosystem designed for growth. Click the link below to discuss a sponsorship or book your free audit to see your channel's true market value.